second section of coaching, that is video coaching. In fact, my dear students, you find it so realistic, even you should not call it a video coaching. You find a teacher just within your home. Yeah. So in this section of video coaching, okay, fine, video coaching, I'm going to explain you a funda that horizontal and vertical, they are independent of each other. You will be interesting to know that this concept can be explained through vectors. Vectors is basically a backbone of entire physics. Particularly in mechanics, we use vectors so widely that you can't imagine that vectors are of tremendous use. Vector is not just limited to triangle law, parallelogram law, dot product, cross product, etc. I'm going to explain one amazing concept, that horizontal and vertical, they are independent of each other. How this concept can be explained, you have to move on the board and focus on the board. Horizontal is independent of vertical. So there is a beaker. This beaker is left in an open rainy day. The rainy day is there, but no wind is there. Well, in physics we can assume it's raining but no wind, right? For the sake of our concept, we are assuming like that, students. So it's raining vertically because no horizontal wind is there. So rain is falling with the velocity v. V is equal to velocity of rain. Velocity of rain. Velocity of rain is the velocity of rain. A is the area of cross section of this beaker. A is the area of cross section of this beaker. Rain